Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to create and add a signature in Microsoft Outlook. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to create and add a new signature in Microsoft Outlook, you can open Microsoft Outlook and then click on File, then on Options, then click on Mail, and then you want to find Signatures and then click on Signatures. And then here you'll be able to add new signatures. So I've already got one signature here. I'm going to delete that signature. I'll just click yes on that prompt. And then I'll create a new signature. Then you can give this a name. I'll call this test. And then click on OK. And now this box down here is the signature that will appear in your emails. Firstly, you can add text here. So you can type something like kind regards, and then your name. And you can also add any other relevant info there, like your contact number or your position at the company or whatever you would like to add there. And then for the text, you can also select this and you can change the font and format the text to your liking, change the style, make it bold, or change the color of it. However you want to format the text, you can do it here. Now another thing that you can do is you can add a picture to your signature. And to do that, you can find the picture on your computer. I'm just going to use this picture of this cat that I have downloaded. And you can just select the picture on your computer and then copy it. Or you can press Ctrl and C to copy it. And then just position the cursor where you want the file to be. And then you can press Ctrl and V. And it's going to paste that picture inside of your signature. If you find that the picture that you added is too big for the signature, what you can do is you can just save the signature. So just go ahead and click on Save down there. Then just make sure up here that the correct email account is selected that you want to add the signature to. And then down here for new messages, you can select the signature, and for replies and forwards, you can also select the signature if you want the signature to display on those messages. Then once that's done, you can just save the signature, then click on OK, and then you can create a new email. Now, as you can see here, my picture is way too big for the signature. So you can actually select this picture inside of a new email, and then you can resize it by clicking and dragging on the corners. And you can make this picture your desired size that you want it to be inside of the signature. So I'll just scale this down to the desired size that I want. And obviously you probably won't be adding a picture of a cat to your signature. It might be something like a business card. But in any case, you can make it the size that you want it to be inside of the email. Then what you're going to do is you're going to select all of this inside of the email, including the picture. So make sure it's selected and then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. Then right here inside of the email, make sure that message is selected. And then click on signature. If you don't see signature here, just make sure that you have the classic ribbon selected by clicking on that arrow. But click on signature, then click on signatures. Make sure that you have the correct signature selected here. Then click inside of the signature and just select all of this and delete it. So I'm just going to select that and press delete on the keyboard. So the signature is cleared. Then press Ctrl and V. And it's going to paste the signature that you created down here inside of the email, inside of the signature here, and then just make sure that you click on save. And it's going to save the signature. And once that's done, you can click on OK, exit out of the new mail, and click on no if you're prompted to save these changes, and then click on new email. And you should see that your signature is added with the correct sizing of the picture like I explained earlier. So that's how you can create and add a new signature in Outlook. And I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.